Yeah, you seen it?
Make her shut up.
Come here. I can't, baby. He's not going to come out of the phone. He can't come out of the phone, baby. She's like, come out.
Say something, Timothy.
Talk to her so that...
Oh, I got so scared.
I'm going to... Oh.
Oh, this is so good.
Tell him you love him. Say, I love you.
Kiss Daddy.
Give him kisses. Give him kisses. She just blew raspberries on my phone. Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. Blow boogies. Do it. Here. She's doing it on the phone.
She's looking for him.
Yeah, she's like moving the phone around, trying to look behind.
Oh, she's waving at him. You see her wave at him?
Yeah.
Dada.
Her face. It's like, it makes me want to cry. I'm just trying to make you talk to Cactus now. That's Dada. She looks like she's getting to the point of crying again. I'm not sure. Alright. Say love you, Daddy. Bye-bye. Say love you, Daddy. Bye-bye. You want to steal the phone back?
Goodbye. She said goodbye.
That's what did you hear her? She said goodbye, Dad. Aww. Give Daddy a kiss. Give him a kiss. Say love you. Alright. Say love you, Daddy. Ooh, he burped. Say excuse you.
Bye, Daddy. Bye.
Aww. Alright. I took you off speakerphone. She said bye, Daddy.